In a previous video, I covered building maps with Network Atlas. Now I've decided that I want to add one of my maps to my current view. I've already added the map resource to the view, but as a reminder, let me look at the view editor. The resource you'll need to add a map from Network Atlas to your view is simply called Map. When you preview the view, you'll basically see a placeholder where your map will sit. So now to add the map, I'll click on Edit. In the Map Resource Editor, I can see a list of all the maps I've built in Network Atlas. I'm going to choose the map called Global Network Map and click Submit to add it to my view. But I seem to have a problem. You'll notice that my map is too big to fit in the column. Remember that your view columns and your maps are both fixed pixel width. Neither one is going to scale to match the other. If you've got enough screen real estate to resize your columns to match your map, fine, but if not, then you'd have to scale down the map. I'm going to go back to the editor and scale my map down to 85% to make it fit, and click Submit. But notice that when you scale the map down, everything scales down. My labels are too small to read. My icons are almost too small to click. And there's nothing I could do at this point except start from scratch with a new map. Scaling maps works great for fine-tuning the exact size of your maps and columns, but doesn't work so well if you try to go too far. So as I've said before, when you're building your maps, plan ahead. Build the map to match the column sizes of your view. While I'm here, notice the checkbox for turning the Network Atlas download link on or off so you can grant or restrict the ability of other Orion users to create their own maps. So now, let me submit one more time, and when I come back to my view, I've got my map, and it's sized appropriately so I can see all my labels and the object status icons. When I hover over the object icons, I can see details about the object, and I can also click the icon to drill down into the object. So building maps is simple, adding maps to your view is simple, but planning out your maps is critical.